OneCircuit Mailbag, coming to you live from downtown Tasmania. OneCircuit, confected waffle, guaranteed.
And this guy is... Oh, wow. Fuses, and a lot of them. So yes, playing with lots of different types of fuses, 0.5 amp. These are supposed to be the fast blow ones. This doesn't have a rating on it. That's great. This says squiggle, so that's nice. This one also squiggle. So I can't remember exactly what I ordered, but I do know that some of the inline fuses that I've had before are slow blow. We've certainly seen these on a video before, and I will link that one up. These ones are supposedly fast blow. So, but I'm interested to see what the rating is. So I'll do some experiments on these ones. We can find out what the squiggles mean. Right. What's this guy? Oh, many things. Many things. Voltage converters, DC voltage converters, maybe. Now let's open one up and have a look. So a little boost converter. We've got a B, or is it 8? B2F39Z doing some work. Some diodes, SS14s, and an inductor, and a heap of capacitors and resistors. Lovely. Oh, look at this, a V plus and a V minus. So, okay, for audio stuff. So maybe 5 volts in and 12 volts out, plus or minus. Yes, please, let's plug it in and see if that one works. All right, a couple of female headers on there. The moment of truth, give it 5 volts. No explosions, that's a good thing. So it looks like ground in the middle. Let's do it this way. Ground in the middle. And this should be 12 volts here if it's working. Wow. And minus 12 on this side? Yes. What a nice bit of kit. I'm not sure what the output would be in terms of current. Probably pretty small. Whether or not you could do something about that with combinations of transistors, etc., not sure. But nice bit of kit anyway. Substantial but light. And we've got PIRs. Hooray! Yes, I do have a few PIRs, but I wanted to try some from the modern stable of PIRs that also have the opportunity to put an LDR on there, because a lot of my circuits have separate LDRs. But I believe that you can put an LDR on these guys. So where would that go? Let's have a look. Right here, I think, where it says RT. I'm pretty sure that you can actually put an LDR on there as well. And that means you don't have a separate one, and you don't have to test the light levels and so forth. And presumably you'd be able to adjust it. Although how, I'm not sure. I've got a little bit of reading to do. But yes, more PIRs. This one's seen some action. Aha! More supercapacitors. These ones rated at 30 farad. So now I've got 50s, 15s, and these are 30 farad. So yes, for the local solar panel projects, and where I've got these little tiny projects running on sniff of current really, and these guys should be able to do it. And I can swap out all the nickel metal hydride batteries, which are fine, but just saying. interesting shape in there. And we have no, I don't know what that is. Let's open it up. RFID tag reader. So Arduino project, hook this up, there's your antenna, and then try and read an RFID tag. Yeah, a little bit of fun. This guy is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I do think I know what these are. I think these are sort of like little microcontrollers. Yes. Forbidden tech. It is the CH552G. So mini USB on one side, there's your reset. Wow, yeah, really interested to get into these guys. So I'm not really sure of the specs of the computing power. Saw them late one night, very cheap. Could be useful, not really sure. We'll hook them up and see if we can't get some sense out of them. But there is a little bit of a pocket of the internet which is looking at these little microcontrollers. And there's a lot of them out there, sort of a little alternative to things like Nano, or maybe particularly the Pro Mini, so small, able to do just a few things and do it well, reprogrammable. Yeah, can't wait to get into them. All right, what's this one? Oh, aha, yes. So interesting. I've never done any work with air quality sensors, but tempted recently because a colleague of mine was looking to, he produces gin, and he was looking to measure, the concentration of fumes coming from his barrels at various points. And so I collaborated with him on a previous project to rock the gin backwards and forwards. And I thought, well, I don't know too much about air quality sensors, but I've got a selection of here. I think these guys, the orange ones, are for alcohol. And I also remember just recently, I think Pile of Stuff did a video as well where he was looking at, I think he drank some rum and then he was using some alcohol sensor, I think a commercial one and also one that he'd built himself to measure the alcohol content. So yeah, and I think the others, I probably would have got a selection, things like carbon monoxide, I think carbon dioxide, and I think also gas, I want to say. But yeah, just a selection of air quality sensors, and I'm looking forward to hooking these up and seeing how they work. With non-copyrighted music. Okay. Package within a package, and aha, yes, nice. So you may remember a project from a while ago where I beefed up the light coming in, and in fact there's a light coming in this way and a light coming this way, and it's fantastic compared to how it used to be. But I'm looking to eliminate some shadows. So I'm thinking that the stand that I'm using has a power output of 5 volts. These are 5 volt, and I might just slip it about here and see if the light improves. Let's hook it up. So just connected to a power pack to start with. Switch around here somewhere. Yep, this guy. Oh yeah, not as bright as I thought, but might be enough to do the job. So really what I want is something in here which casts a few shadows. Let's try, oh yeah, you see, yeah, that's not a bad example. So in this area here, there's shadows, but if I hook this up and shine it from this angle, where is it? Button. All right, so this is about where the camera is. Oh yeah, that's actually quite a difference, I think. So off and on. Yeah, I think that'll make a difference. So the overall light really is not important. It's just those shadows. Let's get a little bit closer to see if that'll make even more of a difference. So if I get down Yeah, see how annoying those shadows are? You can't really see what's going on in this area here. But if I bring in the new light source from a different angle, yeah, look at that. That is superb. So expect soon, maybe one coming, oh, see that's more shadows. I was thinking one coming from here and one coming from, but I think really just front on, yeah, it's not much light, but it's significant to change the shadows, because I normally have to do a bit of post-production work so that we can see what's going on. There's my finger. So, but here, I won't have to. I think that's a good get. The little 5-volt ones, maybe get a couple of them up here. And yeah, that should change. Oh, you can see that there, so it's probably a little too close. I'll put it up a bit higher. Yeah, around about here would be good. So off and on. Yeah, nice. Good get. That is the mailbag for the week, and we'll catch you next time. See ya.